Upgrade to modern comfort with our R32 2-ton heat pump systems. These compact units offer both heating and cooling capabilities, making them ideal for homes up to 1,200 square feet. With R32 refrigerant, they provide efficient performance and a lower environmental impact. Choose from various configurations, including split systems, ductless mini-splits, and packaged units to suit your space and installation preferences. Many models feature high SEER2 ratings, ensuring energy savings and consistent comfort throughout the year. Whether you're upgrading your current system or installing a new one, these heat pump systems deliver reliable performance and efficiency. Explore our selection today and find the perfect fit for your home. Like this video and subscribe for more insights on efficient heating and cooling solutions.